Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I thought I would attempt to film this intro on my Ricoh GR3. So if it's not focusing on my face, well, that's not surprising. But anyway, I've been out testing a new film simulation for the Ricoh GR3, and it's using the negative film simulation, the new picture profile from Ricoh, as the base. Has a few minor tweaks, custom white balance. So I'm going to throw some sample images up here so you can see them. And as always, you can get this recipe for free on my website. There'll be a link down in the description. So I think this one turned out pretty decent. All the photos you're going to see are unedited, straight out of camera JPEG, so hope you enjoy.